Hey everyone, this is Lauren and this is Coco. Welcome back to Coco Loco. Today I'm going to show you my new toy. It's called a fingerling and her name is Zoe. She can kiss us back whenever we blow a kiss at it. Sometimes she burps whenever you do this. Sometimes she goes crazy when you do this. She goes really crazy. And sometimes she sleeps. It takes us a while to make her sleep because she's like... So we could put Zoe on your finger and she can hang on your finger too, like that. Sometimes she closes your eyes when she hangs on your finger because I don't know.
Because she's a monkey?
Yeah, because she's a monkey. Other people might think they're like she's
Yes,
like
Coco. Do you want Zoe?
sleeping.
Do you want Zoe? Do you love Zoe, Coco? Oh, 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 you love Zoe.
He's so cute.
What else can Zoe do?
Zoe can... Sometimes she stings whenever you blow a kiss at her.
Can we see?
Sometimes.
Oh. Oh. Coco.
I bet she's tired. Let's try to make her sleep. Alright, so that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed meeting Zoe. Please comment down below if you have a fingerling at home.
Smile, Coco.
Hope you enjoy our video.